Alrighty, well, my brother, pickled red onions. Here we go. Ingredients: got a couple of red onions, got a couple of oranges, and I got 6 to 8 limes. I've got 6 here, a couple pieces of weaponry, a juicer, not that you need a juicer, and a decent knife. Okay, the other ingredient we have is white vinegar, just regular distilled white vinegar that you clean your toilets with. Alright, we'll start out this way. Let me move the citrus off to the side for a second. Just take the onions, slice the onions, pull. Do this next to the sink with the water running, preferably on sprinkler, and your eyes won't get nearly as watery. So, take those, cut the stem roots off. Pull the paper off. Right. Come see. And then what I want you to do, dude, is just slice them as thin as you can, crossways like this, right? Just nice and thin. And I just like leaving them this size. If whoever's eating them likes them any smaller, they can just chop them up at the time they eat them after they're done pickling. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of these onions. I'll be right back. All right, buddy, I'm back. All onion dyed. There's what's left. So what I'm gonna do with these guys is just put them in a vessel here. And then I'm gonna add some hot water and let them soak in some hot water for about 5 or 10 minutes. That'll take the onion edge off of it, that sharp onion edge off. So here we go, that part. What she says hello and happy birthday. So there's that. You just need to set that aside for 5 or 10 minutes and then rinse it, strain it, be ready to do its thing. So next we'll turn our attention to the citrus, and we just want to juice all this stuff. And I've got like the little handheld juicer that I use. You can use whatever it is you like using, but I like quarter them up before I use that thing. And of course, I'll take and slice all the limes in half and do it that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and juice those up, and then I'll be right back. All right, back again. Okay, so after squeezing all that citrus, I ended up with about 2.5 cups out of that. So now I'll take the white vinegar, open up the thing. I'm gonna pour an equal amount of that in there, so I'll put 2.5 cups. Looking for 5 cups. Let's see, cups, there we go. All right. So that's all the orange lime juice vinegar that we need. The onions have been sitting for 5 or 10 minutes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take and rinse those out real quick, drain them. That's all that needs. Now I've got a gallon Ziploc bag here. I'm gonna go ahead and take and put these onions into the bag. Very good. Take the citric juice and add it to the bag. want to do is burp as much air out of that bad boy as I can. So I'll go ahead and mostly close this thing. Try to force all the air up that corner. Maybe even let it spit a little bit. Seal it up. Flatten it out a little bit. And that's it. I'll throw it in the fridge. Let it be in the fridge for an hour minimum, I would say. But you can leave it in there like that and it'll keep for 2 months in the fridge. I don't think they'll last nearly that long in your fridge though. So there you go, man. Hope you dig it. Happy birthday.